Hi everyone, this is Apple Manansala from the new channel. We are here at the Wise Mom event by Surf Philippines, and this is in partnership with FH Moms, and we're here as the new channel to support both of them. One of my favorite booths on this trade fair is actually this booth, of course, by Greens and Marcel. We are here with us Miss Laniel Fernando, the owner and the chief designer of their company. Nakakatuwa sila kasi alam nyo ba na taga Quiapo sila. The other day lang nandito ako. Ayan, so syempre first time at kinakabahan daw si ate, si Miss Laniel, and I'm so glad to see what was to know from her talaga, what's her inspiration in creating this design for today kasi nakakatuwa at napakaganda.
Ang inspiration ko for creating this project is my family. And family, tapos syempre yung line ng passion ko, yun yung win-workout ko. Tapos eventually eto na ako.
Ano ba yung ginagawa mo dati? Anong passion yan? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo dati?
Before kasi, nung bata pa talaga ako, mahilig ako sumama sa tsahin ko, magbutingting ng mga kung ano gumagawa ng mga paper flowers kasi isa siyang daycare teacher. Kaya siguro doon ko din na-develop yung pagiging artsy, no? Ganun. Tapos nung lumaki na, parang nakuha ko na yung line ko, doon na ako nag-focus dito sa mga greens and nature talaga.
Alam nyo ba na si Laniel lang gumawa ng isang portion ng the newly opened Shangri-La Makati? So, if you go to their page, you will be able to see the work that they have created. We're gonna ask for a picture of that from you, para we can include this in this clip para makita nyo yung ginawa nila sa Shangri-La Makati. And they're not expensive, I'd say, no? Nakita ko yung mga presyo nila, and then ang gaganda, very reasonable, and they can even customize it for you. Watch more of them on the new channel, and especially as part of Global Women Who Rule. Thank you so much, Mommy. Of course, and her inspiration, just like me, is her family, you know, and to showcase beautiful things, no? Kasi napakaganda naman talaga. So, ayan, no, diba? Nakakatuwa magpa-selfie dito as magpa-picture. Yung mga tao kanina, hindi sila maganda, umayaw na talagang magpa-picture. So, I hope you will be able to have very great output from this event, and do you want to thank anybody or do you want to invite them to follow you on social media? Or how can they reach out to you if they want to book for, let's say, quotation or magpapadesign sila sa inyo or bibili sila ng mga raw materials or even the actual design na frames?
Unang-una, thank you so much kay Mami MK. Special mention. At sa Surf din. And you can follow our page, Greens and Marcel. Yun pa. Meron din kaming sa Instagram pero hindi pa ganun ka pero may post naman na kami. Greens and Marcel pa din. Para madali matandaan. Maraming salamat din.
Ayan. So, thank you so much again. We're still here at the Mega Trade Hall in Mandaluyong City in the Philippines. So, we hope that you will continue to share the videos that we are releasing on the new channel. And see you again tomorrow. Okay? More videos on the new channel. Bye!